Good morning students, welcome to session 14 of chapter progressions. Okay, so far we have covered exercise 6.3 till third bit 3 sums we have covered. Today we will look into, we have still 4 more sums in the same bit. We will look at the 4 sums today. So in that the fourth sum is given A3 is equal to 15, Sn is equal to 125, find D and A10. So we know that how to find A10. We have formula A plus 9D. So A10 find out cheyalante manaki A teliyali D teliyali, right? He is also asking D kuda find out cheyamanu. Manaki A teliyadu D teliyadu kani A find out cheyali D find out cheyali. So for that what we will do is solution. First write down what is given. A3 is equal to 15. So A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 15, right? So with this A is equal to 15 minus 2D. Okay, we got A value now. Now let us see what is S10 is 125. We have a formula, right? Since Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is our formula, right? So here we know n value. This is n kada, n plus 10 undi. Ante n value is 10. Now, aga substitute Sn is 125. 125 is equal to n is 10. 10 by 2 into 2A plus n is 10 minus 1 into D, which will be 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into D is 9D. Right? Now, A value 15 minus 2D. 5 into 2 into A is 15 minus 2D plus 9D. Now 5 into 2 into 15 is 30 minus 2 into 2D is minus 4D plus 9D. 5 into 30 minus 40 plus 90 is plus 5D. ఇదంతా దేనికి 125 కదా ఆర్ LHS లో LHS we have 125. Now 125 is equal to 530 is 150 plus 55 is 25D. So if we take this 150 to LHS becomes 125 minus 150 is equal to 25D. 125 minus 150 is minus 25, which is 25D. 25 ones, 25 ones. Now what we have here? D is equal to minus 1, right? D value we got as minus 1. Now substitute this D value, or here I will substitute the D value, take this equation 1, substitute D value in equation 1, which is A is equal to 15 minus 2D. A will be 15 minus 2 into minus 1, which will be 15 minus into minus plus 2. So A will be 17. Something went wrong, I guess. 15 minus 2D, that is minus 1. Substitute D value here minus 1. 15 minus into minus plus D is 17. Okay, I'm sorry. We need to find out A10, right? I'm sorry. Here we need to find out A10, not A. Okay. So this is wrong one. Substitute in the A, we need to get A10, not A. So A10 is equal to A plus 90. So what we did? మనం A value find out చేసాం. మనకు కావాల్సింది A కాదు A10. Okay, I'm sorry. A10 find out చేయండి. Where A10 formula is A plus 9D. So A plus లో same as this 15 minus 2D తీసుకోండి plus 9D, right? Now 15 minus 2 into D is minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 9 into minus 1 Now 15 minus into minus plus 2, here minus 9. Now 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 minus 9, which will be 8. So A10 is equal to 8. Therefore, values of D is equal to minus 1 and value of A10 is equal to 8. Okay? This is our first sum. Hope you understood this one. Let's move on to the second one now. Now let's see fifth sum. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8. Okay, and Sn is equal to 90. Find N and An. Okay. Fifth sum. Given A equals to 2, D equal to 8. Sn is equals to 90. Find N and An. Okay, find N and An. First, what we'll do? Solution. Okay, మనం n find out చేయాలి, An find out చేయాలి. First మనకి n తెలియాలి or An. n తెలిస్తే An we can find out, right? So first we'll do write down what is given. Sn is equal to 90. Okay, what is Sn formula? Write down here. Since Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Write down 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we don't know n, so write down as this n by 2. 2a, we know a, which will be 2a is 4 plus n into d. Okay, do we know d? Yes, we know d. So write down n minus 1 into 8. This will be 90. So if this 2 goes to LHS, becomes multiplication and becomes 180. This one n into 4 plus 8n minus 8, right? Now 4n, okay, n into 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 8n minus 4. This will be n into 8n, 8n square minus 4n, which will be 180 equals, right? Now 8n square minus 4n, next minus 180 is equal to 0. So I am taking 4 as common from this. If I take 4 common, what it becomes? 4 2's 8, 2n square minus n minus, how many times it goes? How many times 180 goes in 4 table? 4 4 16, 2 remainder 20, 4 5 20. So it will be 45 equal to 0. So this is our equation. Now let us find out n value from this. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Factors of, so this 2 will get multiplied with this 45, you know, right? Factorization తెలుసు కదా మన అందరికి. So factorization యూజ్ చేస్తే this will be 90 minus 90, factors of minus 90, and we should get minus 1. So I'll take 9 and 10. This will be 2n square minus or plus 9n plus minus 10n minus 45 is equal to 0. 9 tens 90 plus into minus 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 90. Here we have minus 90, right? 2 into minus 45 is minus 90, and here if we multiply this 2 we get minus 90. If you subtract you get minus 1. Here write down 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. ఈ స్టెప్ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ రాసాను, ఏం చేంజ్ చేయలేదు. With this 2 I am taking 2n as common and n minus 5 will be in the brackets. Here also plus if I take 9 as common, n minus 5 will be in brackets is equal to 0. And this 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 comma n minus 5 is equal to 0. So this will be, if you observe, 2n is equal to minus 9 వస్తుంది అంటే n is equal to minus 9 by 2. కానీ మనకి n value positive ఉండాలి as it is an integers. Okay, n value should be positive. So here n equal to 5 వస్తుంది. సపరేట్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా 2n plus 9. ఈ బ్రాకెట్ బయట ఏమున్నాయి 2n plus 9. బ్రాకెట్స్ లోపల సేమ్ ఉండాలి. n minus 5 is equal to 0. అప్పుడు 2n plus 9 is equal to 0 అంటే n వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది minus 9 by 2. It will be negative, so ఇది వదిలేండి. n minus 5 equal to 0 అంటే n equal to 5. So we got n value positive. So now n value, when we got n value, we can find out an, right? Now an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 2 plus n is 5 minus 1 into d is 8. 2 plus 4 8 32. 34, which will be an. Therefore we got n value, n is equal to 5, an is equal to 34, right? This is what he asked us to find out and we got it, right? So we got n value and an value, both the values. So this is our second sum. Let's move on to the third sum now. A is equal to 4, D is equal to, Sn is equal to minus 14. Okay? So now sixth sum, right? Given an is equal to 4, an is equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. Okay, find n and a. So ఇక్కడ మనకి n and a find out చేయాలి. So okay, solution. First what we do, n a రెండు find out చేయాలి. So first let us take an is equal to 4 అన్నాడు. So we know, write down, given an equal to 4, since an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, an plus lo a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4 anukunte, we know a, no, we don't know a, we don't know n also, right? So write down as this, a plus, okay, n minus 1 into d is 2 is equal to 4. Now a plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 is equal to 4. Now a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2. Now a plus 2n is equal to 6. So finally a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Same as first sum. We got a value now. So when we got a value, we need to find out Sn. Okay? Now let's see. Now Sn is equal to minus 14, right? మనకి అదే ఇచ్చాడు. What is Sn? Since Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have also another formula manaki. What is that? n by 2 into a plus an ane formula kuda undi. Same formula we can write into this one, right? So now here we will use this one. Okay, Sn ante 14 minus 14, right? Now write down minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into what is a? 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n into plus an. What is an? 4. Minus 14 is equal to, get this 2 to LHS. 2 ni LHS తీసుకుంటే it will become minus 28. Minus 28 is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus 4, right? ante kada. Now n into 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2n, 10n minus 2n square, which is equals to minus 28. Now if we take this minus 28 to RHS, what it becomes? 10n minus 2n square minus 28 is equal to 0. Okay? Now here we can take 2 as common. 2 common ga తీసుకుంటే it will be 5n minus n square plus 14 is equal to 0, right? Now okay, I am doing here. So with that step, what is the next step? 2 at అయిపోతే 0 అయిపోతుంది, division అయిపోతే 0 అయిపోతుంది. Now 5n minus n square plus 14 is equal to 0. So that will become minus n square plus 5n plus 14 is equal to 0. Now, so ఇందాక factorization చేసాం కదా, సేమ్ అలాగే మళ్ళీ factorization. So factorization ఎప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తాము? ఈ ఫ్రంట్ ఫస్ట్ n స్క్వేర్ కి మన కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఉందా? Yes, we have minus 1. This minus 1 should be multiplied to this last one, constant. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? minus 1 to 14 is minus 14 అవుతుంది. సో ఈ 5 ని డివైడ్ చేయండి. ఈ 5 ని యాడ్ ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్, ఒక 2 నెంబర్స్ తీసుకొని అవి యాడ్ ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే you should get plus 5n, multiply చేస్తే you should get minus 14. So write down the factors of 14. 7 and 2. ఇవి రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి, you will get plus 5. ఇవి రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే you will get plus 14, but we need minus 14. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? minus 2 తీసుకోండి, plus 7 తీసుకోండి. ఇవి రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. plus 7 minus 2 is plus 5. Right? We are getting this one. Now multiply చేయండి. plus into minus, minus 7 into 2 14. So right, we are getting now minus n square plus 7n minus 2n plus 14 is equal to 0. Now from here ఈ రెండింటి నుంచి take n as common and okay, or take minus n as common. Minus n as common గా తీసుకోండి, or whatever n or minus n, we can take anything. So let me take minus n. Now here it will become n and this will become minus 7. Minus n into n minus n square minus n into minus 7 plus 7n. Next here also same. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ కూడా మనము minus n తీసుకుందాం. Okay, sorry, minus 2. ఈ రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఉన్నది 2 కదా, minus 2 తీసుకుంటే here n మిగిలింది, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ అయ్యి 7 అవుతుంది, is equal to 0. minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 7 plus 14. Now బ్రాకెట్స్ లో రెండు సేమ్ ఉండాలి. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేస్తే బ్రాకెట్ లో సేమ్ రావాలి. రైట్ డౌన్ n minus 7 into బ్రాకెట్ బయట ఏం ఉన్నాయి? minus n minus 2, which will be 0. Okay, now separate గా రాసుకోండి. n minus 7 is equal to 0, minus n minus 2 is equal to 0. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది? n is equal to 7 అవుతుంది, and this one minus n is equal to plus 2 అవుతుంది, but n is equal to again minus 2 వస్తుంది. So this will be the positive one. We should take the positive one. Now we got n value as 7, and we need to find out a value, right? So ఈ n వాల్యూ 7 ఉంది కదా, తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? a is equal to 6 minus 2n, 6 minus 7 kada, 2 into 7 is 14. Now this will be minus a is equal to minus 8 వచ్చింది. Let's see whether a is equal to 8 minus 8 is correct or wrong. Exercise 6.3 third bit 6 to 1. Exercise 6.3 third bit 6 to 1. 6.3 third bit 6 to 1. X is equal to 7, right? N is equal to 7, right? Yes. And a is equal to minus 8. Yes, we got both the answers, right? So now let's move on to the last sum of this exercise, of this bit. Hope you understood these three sums. Okay, let's look at the third sum, sorry, last sum of this bit. Seventh sum. Given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Total 9 terms. Find A. Okay? Okay, let's see. So again, first L ichadu. What is L? L is nothing but AN or TN. Okay, this also can be written as TN. Now S ichadu, which is sum. SN tells us manaki SN is equal to formula. So here S is nothing but SN. Okay, 144 and the sum of all the numbers, right? Okay, and there are 9 terms under 9 terms, which means you simply saying that n is equal to 9. 9 terms unnai ante n value is 9. Okay, right. Next, find A. Find out cheyali. So let us find out using Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. If we use this formula, Sn is equal to 144 is equal to n is 9. We don't know A, we need to find out that, and An is last term 28. Take this 2 to LHS. 144 into 2 is equal to 9 into A plus 28. Okay, and next. Okay, 144 into 2 is 288 is equal to 9 into A is 9A plus 28 into 9. 28 into 9. 8 9 72. Sorry, 72. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 7 252. Right? 252. With this we can find out A value simply, right? 288. Take this 252 to LHS. Minus 252, which will be equal to 9A. 288 minus 252 will be how much? 36, right? Is equal to 9A. Now what it becomes? 9A is equal to 36. A is equal to 36 by 9. 9 ones, 9 fours. So A equal to 4. That is what he asks us to find. So ఈ సమ్ లో ఏమీ లేదమ్మా, జస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడం. టోటల్ 9 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నాడు, అంటే n వాల్యూ 9 ఇచ్చాడు. S ఇచ్చాడు అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ది నెంబర్స్, మొత్తం అన్ని నెంబర్స్ కి సమ్ చేస్తే 144 అంటే Sn అది. S is nothing but Sn. L is equal to 28. L is nothing but An or Tn. జస్ట్ మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ L అన్నాడు లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ని అంటే an or tn, ఇక్కడ s అన్నాడు అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ది నెంబర్స్ sn ని s అన్నాడు. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 9, అది ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా టోటల్ టర్మ్స్ అని చెప్పి ఇచ్చాడు అంటే tn, రైట్. మనకి ఎంత వాల్యూ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 అని చెప్పి ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా ఇచ్చాడు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ దిస్ సమ్. సో టోటల్ we have done today all the four sums of exercise 6.3 third week. So in the next class we'll look at fourth sum, fifth sum. Okay. So for today you don't have any other homeworks, any other separate homework, but do all these four sums 2 times each sum. Practice cheyandi, baga practice cheyandi and send me. Okay. Thank you. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts in these four sums, just ping me or you can call me offline. Thank you.